Animals that have visited space infographic. Laika, 1957. A mutt from the streets of Moscow. Laika became the first animal to orbit the planet on Sputnik 2. Although she perished in the process. Belka and Stryka, 1960. Belka and Stryka were the first Earth-born animal to return alive from the space journey after a day flying in the orbit on Sputnik 5. Ham, 1961. Paving the way for Alan Shepard's famous flight in the very same year. American's first Astro Chimp Ham flew in Mercury capsule, successfully carrying out his lever-pulling tasks for banana pellet reward. Hector, 1961. Launched on Veronique rocket sporting a miniature spacesuit, Hector the rat survived his mission to become the first French astronaut. Félicette, 1963. A cat named Felix was intended to board the French Veronique rocket, but he ran away at the last minute, and Félicette was his substitute and the first cat to go into space, descending safely back to Earth by parachute. Russian tortoise, 1968. The first tortoise in the space went on quite a journey, looping the moon through deep space on a Soviet mission and returning to Earth alive. Later, tortoise would set an animal duration record for space on 1975-1976 Soyuz mission. Arabella and Anita, 1973. As part of a high school student's proposal, spiders Anita and Arabella spent several months aboard in Skylab 3. Proving that even in space they could weave webs. Quail chicks, 1990. As an experiment in farming in the space, Japanese quail chicks were hatched on Mir, their small, fuzzy bodies delicately turning in the zero gravity. Jellyfish, 1991. Jellyfish went into space in 1991 on the Columbia Space Shuttle to test their quick development in zero gravity. Later, jellyfish were even born in the space, although they experienced vertigo on Earth. Sex geckos, 2014. 5 geckos sent by Russia into the space were meant to test sex in weightlessness, but they returned frozen and mummified.